Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. Did another supply run, hit a couple stores, and so I'm going to go over what I got here. I hit Winco and I got the pasta sauces here. I got 4 jars of each type. So I got the roasted garlic and herb, traditional, tomato, onion and garlic, and tomato basil and garlic. They were $1.40 a jar, and no high fructose corn syrup. Very good on that. All right, got a couple packages of hot dog buns for 89 cents. Got a loaf of bread for 98. Got a 10-pound box of extra wide egg noodles for I think it was $19.50, so that's under $1 a pound. Then I went over to Sam's Club and I picked up some paper plates. I've just been slowly running out of paper plates. Want to have some paper plates on hand. Picked up some coffee filters. I don't drink coffee, but I have other uses for these. If you saw the video for your prep for today, I talked about coffee filters, and I got more coming out on those later. And I picked up a 2-pack of the French's mustard because it tastes a whole lot better than some of the other stuff. Got a 4-pack of the 4-pack of the roast beef and beef broth cans here. Also, if you were listening to my other video, I was talking about get more meat, canned meat. All right, got a couple boxes of the premium mashed potatoes here. And they finally had hash browns back in stock in big boxes, so I got a couple of boxes of that as well. Then I went and scored on the meat. Okay, so this package here is 25% off. This is stew meat. This here is, hang on, let me see what it says on the side there exactly. This is beef round slices, so, and that's 25% off. Another one of beef round, 25% off. This one's only 24% off, and this was the beef round tip. Okay, so it's 24% off, and then I got a bigger package of the stew meat in here, also 25% off. And then this one here is the eye round roast, also 25% off. Smooth it out so you see 25% off. And these were the only ones they had marked down when I got there. They had gone back to opening at 8 o'clock, and the website still says 10 o'clock, so I was a little late. I might have been able to pick up a few more, but at 25% off is one heck of a good deal for meat. Now I just got to take the stew meat here and put it out on a cookie sheet with parchment paper down so I can separate it out and freeze it up so it doesn't freeze as one big chunk. And excuse me. And then after I do that, I will seal meal it, and then I'll do the same thing for all the sliced pieces here. Get it all done too, and also that stew meat, also just spread it out as well too, so I can freeze it. The round roast here, I'm just going to go ahead and slide it into a seal meal bag, seal it up, and toss it in the freezer. Alrighty folks, that's my Prepper Pantry haul for today. And get out there and find those good deals where you can, because prices are going to go up. I'm going to be doing a video here shortly to talk about this, but a friend of mine notified me that 108 food processing plants since November 2021 have either caught fire or had an explosion at them. Okay. Oh, one other thing. I like Winco because they still have paper bags. Alrighty. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps.